If it's okay, we're gonna see if we can cross this leg over up here, wherever. If it doesn't go all the way up for you, you can bring it here. My knee feels a little sore. I'll be doing just a 10K. I'm kind of running more, but I have to do outside too. Treadmill is hard for me. Yeah. Feel that stretch there in this hip right here. Ooh, good. Bring it back. Oh, nice. Treadmill keeps you consistent too. But you know, you can just set it and go outside. You start drifting. And watch out for the car. You got the interesting. I'm gonna talk about it. So, like you said, dogs. I'm running, and then a dog runs to the gate, and I'm terrified out of my mind. I'm like, oh, I'm about to fall. But in my mind, I said, all right, the next dog that runs up, you know, because I'm thinking they're going to be in the gate. I'm not going to be afraid. I'm going to just pull that knee in good. You feel that stretch right here. The next dog, if he barks at me, I'm going to bark back out. I'm running on the same trip, and then I hear the dog, and I'm not scared, but out the corner of my eye, I see him getting closer. It's like, oh, he's not in the gate. And this is a German Shepherd, like a real German from Germany. And he comes out, and I instantly just run at him. And as I run at him, he stops, and he's like, what are you doing? You're supposed to be running. No, I'm not going to, no. I run at him, and I start just getting big and at him. And he turns around, and he stops, and he goes the other way. Like, that's how I got to do it. I got to put it in my mind first that I won't be scared. I have to have it in my mind first that I won't be scared. Over here, oh, that feels good. That stretch right here.
So one time I did one, there was terrified about there was pit bulls that were not in the gate, and they were chasing after us. So I turned around and I said, go home. They stopped. I said, go home.
Yes.
And they turned around.
Yes. There it is. And he was like, I'm happy I married you.
Woo! Okay.
Yes.
They feel that energy of like, not just you to step back.
They do. It's powerful. Okay, let's bring this leg up. Oh, and so many things feel our energy. You know, kids too. Even just situations, as you were talking about earlier, not worrying. Let's do 3 more. And bring it in. Oh, that feels good. Now we're going to go out. Do you stretch after treadmill?
I do. A couple, yeah, I have to stretch.
Good.
Not a lot, just like a couple minutes, and then I gotta get in the shower and get ready.
Yeah, that's fine. Good. Let's stretch it out here. Good. Now this one is big when you pull those toes back. You ever experienced plantar fasciitis or anything in tightness in the calves or hamstrings, the back of the knees? This is a good stretch for us here. Good. Yep, that's good. And I'm using this left leg for support. I can bring my left arm down and come down. If you want more, of course, you can reach down. This will stretching the back, stretching the hips, stretching the hamstrings, stretching the imagination, and bring your nose to your toes. Oh. Good. Nice. Let's see. Take a deep inhale here. Breathe in. And then exhale. Walk the finger 1/4 of an inch, a little bit closer towards your feet. Ooh, there's this. Good. And then slowly, once again, tuck the tailbone, tuck the chin, roll up through the spine. Big, deep roll here. Just bring both hands up in the sky. Good. Let's see if we can get the palms up to the ceiling. Feel that stretch in the spine. There we go. Good. That was a good stretch. Ooh, and then let's see if we can bring them back behind our head. Ooh, good stretch. Opening up here. Slowly relaxing. Bringing it down. Want to take this right foot, cross it. If not over, you can cross it under right there. Whatever works for your knee. If you want to bring it up, you can. Ooh. Right here, we still that stretch in the hips. You can still bring it closer and farther. Ooh. Hear my knee popping and cracking. Nice. Yep. You can bring that knee right there and you just feel it, especially for sciatic and this piriformis hip tight tense muscle right here. You can add a little breaking loose of the fascia here, like you're doing one of those foam rollers with your palm. Work it out here, especially with that repetitive walking movement we do in our hips. Good. Always working out something. And then if you drop it out that way, yep, you get into the groin more, especially for us sitting in chairs all day. Good. Bring it back center. We'll do one more posture. Just bringing the feet wider than the chair, hip distance apart. Inhale, bring both hands up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up, lean back, open up. Oh, that feels good. Nice. And then get long in your spine. So I want you to pull the top of your head out towards me, pull the chest towards the ground, turn it parallel. Good. And I feel that stretch. I'm still pushing my hips back into the chair and I'm pulling the top of my head out. Arms are out. I feel the stretch in my glutes, my hamstrings, my spine is strengthening, my lower back, my core. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, drop it down into the center. Oh, good. Forward fold and then just rocking back and forth. Nice. Relax the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Shake your head out. Letting gravity just take over here. Ooh, shoulders. Good. And if you want an extra nice little twist, you can bring that left hand to the top of the left thigh. Left hand comes to the top of that left thigh right by the hip. And then just kind of twist and look up. Good. If you want to, you can pull there, just wherever level you are. Ooh. Shoulders, twist, oblique side. Nice. And then we can go to the other side. Right hand to the top of the thigh. Opening up. Ooh. Nice. And then slowly we're going to roll on up. Nice and slow to that middle. We're going to take 5 mega powerful breaths here, oxygenating the body. On the count of 3, to inhale deeply through the nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one here with a big inhale. Breathe in all the way to the belly, to the back. Inhale, full lungs. Breathe. Hold it. Relax. Hold it. Exhale. Shoulders relax. Face relax. Belly empties. Mind is clear. Present right here. Soak it all in. Soften the heels, the toes, the chin, the jaw, the back, the belly, the heart. Release tension, tightness, anxiety, worry, stress. Breathe in hope and gratitude. Awesome. Well, let's start to wiggle our fingers and our toes. Shake it out. Move. Man. Yeah. That's all we needed. Let's bring our hands into our heart. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day. Thank you so much for committing to your wellness. Thank you so much for caring about yourself. Thank you for your hope and your gratitude. And as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste.